Hello boys and girls, welcome to day 2 of our RARP. This week our book that we're focusing on is called By the Stream. Before we do our reading, of course, every time we talk about our reading strategies. Today we're going to be focusing on 3 different reading strategies. The first one is Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye is a really easy reading strategy. We look at the word, we look at the first sound, and then we look in the picture to try and find something that begins with that sound. Then we're going to look at Stretchy Snake. Stretchy Snake is when we stretch out all the individual sounds in a word. We stretch them really, really long, and then we put them back together again to find out what the word is. And the last one we're going to look at is Chunky Monkey. Chunky Monkey, we chunk up the words into smaller pieces. Then we figure out what the small pieces are, and then we put the whole word together to find out what the word is. So, let's have a look at Eagle Eye first. I'm going to look at the first sound in this word, and the sound is ch, 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 ch. Can we all say it together? Ch, ch, ch. Then I'm going to use my eagle eyes and find something in the picture that begins with ch, ch, ch. Children. I can see children, and children begins with the ch sound. Children. Fantastic. Let's use Chunky Monkey. We have this word here which is quite tricky, but we might be able to read that word and we might be able to read that word, so let's split them up. Let's sound this one out. Fr-o-g. Fr-o-g. Can you sound it out with me? Fr-o-g. Put it together. It's frog. Fantastic. Here's a picture of a frog. Let's try this word, nice and easy. And again. Man. So the first word part of the word is frog, and the second part of the word is man. Frog, man. Can we put it together? You try. Frog, man. Frogman. Fantastic. And Chunky Monkey has helped us. We've chunked up the word. Okay, let's try Stretchy Snake. My turn, then your turn. My turn. Sh. I'm going to try it one more time. Make sure you're listening very carefully. Let's try it all together. I want you to copy me. Let's do it all together. Can you try and put it together? What do you think the word is? Splash. 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 Fantastic. Splash. Put it together makes the word splash. Okay, it's now time to read. Miss Megan is going to read the story once. I then want you to rewind the video and listen to the story 2 more times. So you've listened to the story 3 times in total. You can either listen to myself reading it, or you can go to the link that I will send you and you can listen to the author reading it. Okay. Let's just find it. By the Stream. Okay. By the Stream. I would really like it if you could follow along with your finger, boys and girls. Mum and Dad sat on the rug. The children played by the stream. Biff went on the bridge. They dropped sticks in the water. Kipper couldn't see. Kipper climbed up. He dropped Teddy in the water. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Biff couldn't get Teddy. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Mum couldn't get Teddy. I want Teddy, said Kipper. Dad couldn't get Teddy. Dad fell in. Splash! I am A frogman, said Dad. Okay, make sure you rewind this video and listen to the story 2 more times, following along with your finger every word. When you have done that, the only thing left to do is go to Kahoot. There is a quiz waiting for you. The quiz is called By the Stream RARP Day 2. Again, I will send you the link. Try your hardest with the quiz. Make sure you're looking at the pictures in the questions and looking for key words. Are there any words in the book that match the words in the questions? Have a try and I can have a look at your scores. Fantastic job, guys. We will see you again tomorrow.